Pierce County, southern St. Croix County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Ellsworth, or 8 miles south of River Falls, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ellsworth around 6:10 p.m. Bay City around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Plum City. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce and St. Croix.